All right, today we're going to talk about something really cool. How to get a powerful Android phone that lives entirely in the cloud. And how to get it completely free. And yeah, we're going to show you how to do it over and over again.
So just think about it for a second. Have you ever needed a second phone, for testing an app or maybe grinding in a game or just keeping your main number private? But who wants to buy a whole new device for that? Well, what if you could just spin one up in the cloud whenever you needed it for free? That is exactly what we're diving into today.
So here's the plan. We'll start with what a cloud phone even is. Then we'll get into the secret sauce for getting those free trials. After that, we'll walk through activating it, see what you can actually do with it, and finally, we'll cover the loophole that makes the whole thing unlimited. Let's jump in.
Okay, first things first. What are we even talking about when we say a phone in the cloud? And more importantly, where do you get one? The whole magic trick starts with an app called VMS CloudFiv. You can find it right there on the Google Play Store. So if you're following along, go ahead and search for that and get it installed. This little app is your gateway to a full-blown Android device that's hosted completely online. So how do we get this for free? And not just a one-time thing, but over and over again? Well, the answer lies in a really simple but kind of clever trick. And the secret ingredient is something called temp mail. Just think of it like a burner email address. Instead of giving a service your real personal email for a free trial, you just generate a temporary one that only lasts for a few minutes. This is what lets you show up as a new user every single time. It's the engine that makes this whole thing repeatable.
And the process itself? It's incredibly simple. Seriously. Step 1, you open up that VMS app. Step 2, you pop over to any temp mail website and grab a new email address. And step 3, you just paste that email right into the app to register. That's literally it. You're now a brand new user in their system.
Okay, so you've signed up with your temporary email. You're so close. Now it's time for the last few clicks to actually activate the device and get your cloud phone up and running.
A few quick taps and you are in. So after you put in the email, you'll solve one of those quick CAPTCHAs, to prove you're a human. The app will then send a code, a one-time password to your temp mail inbox. So you just flip back, grab that code, enter it into the app, tap the picture of the phone, and hit that big Get Trial button.
And boom, there it is. Success! You now have a fully activated, fully functional cloud phone ready for you to use for the next 6 hours. So now what? What can you actually do with this thing? Okay, so you've got your 6-hour trial. Let's take a look at the features and see what kind of power you actually have at your fingertips here. I think you're going to be pretty surprised. You actually get a ton of control here. You can change the screen resolution all the way up to Ultra HD, depending on your internet connection. You can give it microphone access. You can install pretty much any app or game you want from the Play Store. And for all you power users out there, it even comes with root access. That means you get that deep-level control over the system, and it even has tools like Magisk ready to go. Now, this is one of the coolest features, honestly. You can generate a simple link that gives someone else full access and control of your cloud phone. They can use it right from their web browser, and they don't even need an account. Think about the possibilities there for remote teamwork or getting some tech help from a friend. The original source actually pointed out a really clever way to use this. Apparently, some games give you points just for being active on voice chat. So with this, you can just leave the cloud phone running in the background with the mic on for 6 hours and just rake in those rewards, all without draining your main phone's battery. Pretty smart. All right, so what happens when those 6 hours are up? Is the party over? Not even close. Let's get to the final step, the part that makes this whole thing truly unlimited. The process for starting over is almost laughably easy. When your time runs out, you just go to the Me tab in the app, head into the settings, and tap Sign Out. And then you just do exactly what we did before. Grab a new temporary email, sign up again, and you've got another fresh 6-hour trial ready to go. You can do this as many times as you want. So there you have it, a free, powerful Android device, right in the cloud, available whenever you want it, for as long as you want it. The method is in your hands now. The only question left is, what are you going to use it for?